U.S. European Command released footage of the Tuesday encounter between a U.S. surveillance drone and the Russian fighter jets as it played out over the Black Sea. The newly declassified video depicts critical moments in the mid-air encounter, which the Pentagon said lasted between 30 and 40 minutes. The video shows the camera of the MQ-9 Reaper drone pointed backward toward its tail and the drone's propeller, which is mounted on the rear, spinning. Then, a Russian Sukhoi Su-27 fighter jet is shown approaching. As it draws closer, the Russian fighter jet dumps fuel as it intercepts the U.S. drone. In another portion of the footage, the Russian jet makes another pass. As it approaches, it again dumps fuel. The video from the drone is then disrupted as the Russian fighter jet collides with the MQ-9 Reaper, damaging the propeller and ultimately forcing the U.S. to bring down the drone in the Black Sea. Russia has denied that a collision occurred. When the camera comes back online in the footage, the view is again pointed backward, and the propeller is shown damaged from the collision. With the propeller damaged, the drone operators effectively flew the aircraft as a glider as it descended over the Black Sea, bringing it down in international waters southwest of Crimea. On its way down, 2 U.S. officials told CNN the operators remotely wiped the drone's sensitive software, mitigating the risk of secret materials falling into enemy hands before it crashed into the water. National Security Council Communications Coordinator John Kirby said on CNN this morning, Wednesday, that the drone had not been recovered and that he was not sure the U.S. would be able to recover it. Moscow had made clear it would attempt to retrieve the wreckage of the drone, and 2 officials told CNN Wednesday that Russia had reached the MQ-9 crash site in the Black Sea. Kirby would not confirm the reported development, but said the U.S. had made it impossible for them to be able to glean anything of intelligence value off the remnants of that drone, whatever remnants there might be on the surface of the water. The Kremlin has said a decision on whether to retrieve the drone will come from Russia's Ministry of Defense. This is the prerogative of the military. If they believe that it is necessary for our interests and our security in the Black Sea, they will do it, Kremlin spokesperson Dmitry Peskov told reporters on a conference call. Peskov said he did not know what the ministry has decided. Moscow and Washington have been in contact through military and diplomatic channels following the incident.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. He's doing the job every day.